All right, special thanks to this company who was nice enough to send us their 36 LED 3-pack of LED sensor lightings. These have a magnetic suction installation. They have an intelligent remote control, brightness adjustable, motion and light sensor. You can see here on the back, you get the 3 light strips. It uses USB Type-C to charge them, and they're 150 lumens. They have warm light and white light. This is the white light version. 36 LEDs, rechargeable, magnetic, and let's take them out, show them to you. Here they all are. That's it for the box. So we have 1, 2, and 3, and they all have this double-sided tape on the back, which is just magnetic. So you could remove this if needed and place it to a magnetic surface. The USB-C port's right here to charge them, and this seems to be the power button. So they do include one USB-C cable for charging them, and this is an included remote, and then just a little instruction manual. All right, let's take a few of these out to our kitchen, and let's set these up and see exactly what they look like. So I have at least 2 of these on the charge right now. We're gonna let these get charged up and then see what they look like. Now that they're green, we know they're fully charged. So these are super easy to put on. You just literally take off this little strip and they magnetize right to something magnetic. Now to turn them on, you just hold this button for 3 seconds. There's a couple of different options that you can see right there, like what the blue indicator light is, the red indicator light, etc. So like I'm gonna hold it again and it's flashing blue 4 times, which means that is night mode. So when I cut all the lights off in here, it should cut on. And so there we go. There's one light. The motion is great for if it's nighttime and you're coming up trying to do something. Makes it nice and easy. You can also place these underneath the cabinet. But this is exactly what they would look like. Thanks again to the company for sending these to me. Thank you all for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Deuces.